Hello everyone, today is Tarot Tuesday. This reading is for Virgo collectives. Let's see what are the messages and the energy for the month of January. Okay, so Virgo, this reading today is actually focused on advice for you, right? There is something which you've been wanting very desperately, and the universe is saying it's not the right time. And what you are asking for is actually something, very less as compared to what you deserve or what you should be getting, right? And universe has planned something really, really big for you, and just you have to first heal a lot of healing energy and on advice, as advice is what I'm getting, right? Healing is needed, right? And you really need to do a lot of root chakra cleansing. I'm seeing a lot of disruption with your root chakra, and also on if you are a spiritual person, then a lot of meditation practices is needed. You have a lot of mental clutter, right, which is actually blocking your abundance, right? Abundance is being blocked due to the mental clutter, right? So you really need to clear out your chakras, especially starting with the root chakra, and then going ahead with the third eye, and your, even for some of you, I'm seeing that communication is an issue. Your Mercury is actually imbalanced, so you need to work on your throat chakra and your third eye and root chakra. These are the three chakras which really need a lot of work, right? Do a lot of grounding practices and clean out all the clutter. You'll have to make some changes in the lifestyle. That's what is being asked as advice, because see, somewhere everything is related to your stability. I'm getting, see, we have two cards of grounding, stability, and the blockages, right? If you'll see, so here root chakra we already discussed, and here we actually have a tree which signifies the grounding. So this is very much needed. You really need to ground yourself. That is one of the biggest reason why things are not manifesting in your life, why abundance is not coming in. And reconsider your choices. Something better will come up. Okay.